Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore donor-advised fund planning with Fidelity Charitable, full guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by logging into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the section for donor-advised funds. Select the option to initiate planning for your donor-advised fund. Review your current fund balance and previous contributions. Assess your charitable goals for the upcoming period. Consider the types of charities you wish to support. Think about the amounts you'd like to contribute to each charity. Fidelity often provides a list of recommended organizations for inspiration. Choose the charities you want to support from the list or add new ones. Determine the timing of your contributions. Consider any deadlines for charitable giving that may impact your planning. Review tax implications of your donations. Use Fidelity's resources to ensure you maximize your tax benefits. Finalize the amounts you plan to allocate to each charity. Ensure you have all necessary documentation ready for your record keeping. Confirm your selections in the online platform. Submit your donor-advised fund planning for approval. Track the progress of your donations through your Fidelity account. Continue to monitor and adjust your contributions as needed over time. Engage with your chosen charities to learn about their needs. Evaluate your giving strategy annually to align with your financial goals. Stay informed on Fidelity updates regarding donor-advised fund options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.